Today, we're going to explain how to save projects in the Mirkab software. Saving a project is very important because there is always a possibility of errors or issues, and part of our work might be lost. So it is very important to be able to save the project and do it quickly. For example, I want to type this text, work on it, and then save it. When we get to this point and want to save the project, we use this button or press Ctrl S. A dialog box will open, and here you need to give the project a specific name. Projects should not have the same name. Each project must have its own unique name. We enter the name, press the confirm button, and it's done. Now our project is saved. While working, for example, if I make some changes, you will see that a button here is automatically activated. Look, this button indicates that changes have been made to your project, and if necessary, you can save it again. To save it, just click on this button. By clicking on this button, the project gets updated or saved on the same file, and the button becomes inactive. Now, as soon as another change is made to the project, this button will be reactivated. This means that a new change has been made to the project, and if you want, you can save it again. There is also a faster way to save, which is to use the Ctrl S shortcut to save the project. Look, this button has become inactive. After saving, a Save Successful message will appear at the top. It's that easy to save the project and continue working. This project can later be opened and edited. You can open your projects from here in the future and edit them. Now the new project is at the top of the page. Additionally, if you want to delete projects individually, you can delete them using these buttons. If you want to export all of your projects into a single XML file to keep them, you can use the Settings section. In the settings, there is a button labeled Export Projects, and by clicking it, all your projects will be converted into an XML file and provided to you. Later, if you want to import these projects into another device, you need to use the Import button and give it the XML file to import the projects. That's the entire system for saving and opening projects. It's very simple. Another important point is the text written here. Projects are only saved in your browser. They are not stored on our servers, and everything is saved on your own system. This means if you delete the browser or clear the browser's cache, all your projects will be lost. Please pay attention to this point. There's also a small button here. By clicking it, a new page will open, and you can start a new project.